Should you buy Gap when you purchase your car at the dealership? I'll explain. So a lot of times I get questions from family members who are going to buy a car. Should I get Gap from the dealership or should I get it from my insurance company? Now again, I am just telling you from my years of experience, this is my opinion on this when it comes to Gap. So I'll try and break it down for you a little bit. Gap should be purchased if you are financing over 80% loan to value on the vehicle, because God forbid you're a month out, you've made one payment and somebody runs into you and they don't have insurance, you're in a deficit, you have to pay that car off, but your insurance company is only going to pay actual cash value. So you need Gap to cover that. But do you get it from the insurance company or do you buy it from the dealership? Here's my opinion. When it comes to the dealership, their Gap coverage is through a third party, and they usually will sell Gap coverage that covers 150% of the loan to value. Some insurance companies, their insurance is a little bit cheaper on the monthly payment, but they might only cover 110%. So it depends on where you are as far as your loan to value. The other opinion I have on this is this. Let's just say you purchase a $30,000 car. A month later, you've made one payment. You put no money down. So you now owe, like, let's just for argument's sake, say $29,000. And the actual cash value of the vehicle is now $21,000. So there's an $8,000 deficit. The insurance company is going to say, do I pay off the $21,000 and total the vehicle out because you got Gap from a third party and then cover the other 8? Or does the insurance company, if you bought Gap from them, look at it and say, am I going to pay off $29,000 on this car and total it out, or am I going to pay $15,000 to get it fixed? That's going to be the situation that you're in if you bought Gap from your insurance company. Do they fix the car for $15,000 or do they pay it off for $29,000? If you have Gap from a third party, they're a little more apt to total out the car and pay off the $21,000, and then the $8,000 can be covered by a different company. So it's really up to you how you want to do it. Now, if you want some more information like this, go to the link in my bio, my Etsy store. I have an ebook. It's $5. It will explain everything from buying the car, what you should and shouldn't buy in products, how the rates are worked, everything like that. Go ahead and go to my shop and purchase that ebook.